My name is Bo. I'm the founder and owner here at Svendborgsund Bryghus. We started the brewery in 2018. We produce around 1,200 hectoliters per year. The core benefits are that we save a lot of money and it's very convenient to always have CO2 in stock. Actually, we have just been tested our CO2 and it's perfect, and we experience no oxidation at all in the finished product, so it's clean. We are very pleased to use our own produced CO2. It comes directly from our own fermenters, so we know exactly what's in it, and that's satisfying. The installation process was very easy. It's a plug-and-play solution, so that part was very easy, and it was also easy to use. We are not experts in operating with CO2, but a couple of hours of training and we were up and running. Recovering CO2 is an easy way to save the environment for a lot of CO2. Environmental friendly beer. Cheers.